Hello guys! One of the typical questions that I get from junior developers and those who are just starting their career is, give me any ideas to create some demo projects to practice my skills. And I've created a special page, a special tag on Laravel Daily.com. So if you search for junior demo projects and click here, I've published 3 demo projects with tasks, so what to create, and then a demo repository. 2 of those repositories actually come from already existing learning roadmap for junior level, and there's a new one for Laravel support ticket system. So let's take a look at that one as an example, what you could create to practice your skills as a junior developer. And also a bit later in this video, I will show you the example how to use external package for your project and what to do if that package doesn't have some functionality that you need. So the task is pretty simple. So customers register, you need some kind of authentication like Laravel Breeze or whatever you choose. They can create the tickets. Then there are agents and admins who would see the tickets and change the status, close tickets, open tickets, and stuff like that. Suggested database structure, authentication with 3 roles, then managing the tickets by the users, and they should see only their tickets. Also, agents should see only the tickets assigned to them, and also they can add comments, and admin users may manage everything. Labels, categories, priorities, users, so typical CRUD admin panel. And then also there are email notifications. So a pretty simple project. I asked my colleague Nerius to create that, and he reported it took him around 10 hours. But I guess if you create something like this and put it on your GitHub, those 10 hours may pay off that you would demonstrate your knowledge of Laravel. And down below in this article, there's a link to the public repository. And here what I want to emphasize that we used an external package for support tickets. Let's take a look at that public repository. And let's take a look at Composer.json specifically, where we can see a package called Coder Flex Laravel Ticket. So this is an interesting package by Osama, which takes care of the backend. So you can create tickets with labels, categories, and some other API methods. And we decided that this package would be the backend of our demo project, and we would create anything on top related to authentication, roles, and stuff like that. But that didn't go 100% as planned. And this is kind of a lesson for you, a story for you. What happens if you decide to use some package which looks good but doesn't fit 100%, lacks some feature? Then you have a choice to, well, not use the package, so go the other way, or try to improve the package and then use it further. So this is exactly what we did. So if you take a look at the pull requests, one of the missing feature was assign ticket to a user, so to the agent. So the pull request by my colleague was successfully approved, merged, and released a new version, and then we could move on with creating our demo project. So this is kind of a happily ever after scenario. But if you need some feature and you are kind of in a hurry and you're still waiting for the package maintainer to approve your code or to merge or to make a new release, this is the situation that we have now. So another missing feature was in the messages or in the comments to the tickets, there was no user relation. And now at the moment of shooting this video, maybe by the time this video airs, this will be merged and approved and released, because I'm shooting these videos well in advance, like 7 days in advance or something. But currently, as it is, package author requested some changes, and then there is some discussion, but the last post is from 6 days ago. So for 6 days, nothing happens, which is fine. I'm not blaming the author. He has other priorities. It's an open source package. He may even reject our feature, and that is totally fine. And also life happens. He may have forgotten about that. Doesn't matter. What matters is, if you have this situation, then you have to deal with it. Maybe fork the package if you are in a hurry. Or maybe again, abandon using the package altogether and go the other way, recreating that functionality yourself. So this is what I wanted to emphasize. If you choose to use external package, test upfront whether it has all the features that you need exactly as you need them. So yeah, in this video I will not demonstrate support ticket system, and intentionally I will not do that because this is a task for you, and I do hope that you spend the time trying to create that before you take a look at our repository or our demo, because only that way you learn. I can suggest the task, the description as it would be on Upwork or job board or from the client, then as a developer you need to create that, and along the way if you have questions then you can consult someone or take a look at an example solutions or packages. What do you think about this whole idea of junior demo projects? If you have any other demo projects to suggest, shoot in the comments below. I may add them to the list and expand to the full tasks, and this way we will help juniors to practice their skills. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.